this is a demonstration of the Ethical Trade Alliance demo kit and what you get inside. So as part of the folder, you'll receive a basic corporate brochure which explains what the Ethical Trade Alliance is about, and you'll also see inside here all the details around the 4 pillars: our social, human, economic and environmental benefits that we're working with companies all around the world to help them improve. Obviously around ethics compliance, we'll talk also about traceability and provenance, how our blockchain system and ETA app, the ETA Tracer app, can work, and how consumers themselves can trace their products and make informed decisions. Also talks about how we work with governments, bodies, trade agencies and their members on how to improve their whole sustainable supply chain and the full product life cycle itself. So we work with them across a whole range of programs, training courses, workshops, whole range of details, and we also provide a whole range of logistics and infrastructure benefits as well. So we'll work with them on things like foreign exchange, trade finance, free trade agreement understanding, making sure that they've got their IP in place. We'll talk to them about how to improve their supply chain so it is more sustainable as well. What you'll also get in the pack are some demo certificates. So you'll receive a sample certificate which demonstrates, as part of the auditing process, once a company has passed their audit, whether it's the modern slavery audit or the sustainable supplier procurement audit, I should say, or many other audits that we'll be developing and rolling out over the coming months and years, they'll be issued with a physical certificate. So this is actually a physical certificate that can be used as part of any commercial set of documentation. What's different, however, is that you'll also see that these certificates have a logo. These logos are encrypted and embedded. So each physical certificate has actually been encrypted and locked in the blockchain. So if you hover your smartphone and touch that logo, you'll see here that you open up a browser, and inside, live on the browser, is actually the copy, digitally encrypted copy of that certificate live on the blockchain. So that enables everyone to be able to verify that it's not fraud, it's not a fraudulent certificate, it's actually an encrypted, locked certificate that can be validated. If you want to check the product itself, we've launched the ETA Tracer, an app that you can download on any smartphone, whether it's Android or Apple. And by using that, you can actually look at having a product tracking anywhere in the world. And if you're going into a shop or on the shelves, you'll be able to look at that. So let's say you're wanting to use, you walked into a bottle shop, you want to check that it's definitely the right product, so it's not a counterfeit bottle of grains or anything like that. You can actually use the ETA app. You can also use that for baby formula, but these are just demos that we use as part of the pack. It can be furniture, it could be fashion, it could be other food products, it could be toys, it could be anything at all that you want to demonstrate and prove to your buyers that your products are, 1, authentic, 2, they are also ethically and sustainable manufacturing. So what you do is you actually use the ETA app. You'll be able to scan, show you here, you'll able to scan either the QR code or the NFC device here. So I'll go back to the app, you click on that, and in this case we're going to use the NFC to start the first one. So NFC is a little tag that we can click on there. Now that's triggered. And what you'll see come up is the information that's...
Good day from Australia. Wineyards is proud to say you are now wielding a Rally 2007. Take out a look how far it's come at the end of this video and celebrate its journey with a drink. Enjoy.
Now that is live on the internet. So you just click on the next button for instant information and you'll see that it's got a whole range of additional details of that unique product itself. The location, the batch details, the expiry date. Scroll to the right, you'll be able to see the geographical last scanning point. So it was scanned here in Melbourne. Previously it might have been scanned in Sydney at a distribution centre. Keep scanning further and we can actually implement or record different milestones around the world or supply chain milestones. So that's a really powerful point of difference. Going back to the app, you can actually do that with a QR code as well. So if you click the QR code button, the camera will come up and you'll be able to see there. We've already scanned the QR code, it's pretty quick in this case.
our nutritionists here at U-Butte are very proud to say that your little one will be very pleased with our U-Butte Diamond Baby Food. Follow this journey at the end of this video.
So I'm sorry that actually scanned twice, so it's coming through. But this is the other baby formula demonstration. You'll see here, same details, batch details, expiry date, the dealer details, again, geographical scanning points, and even more supply chain milestones that we can dial up or dial down. So there's a whole range of information capable just on the app itself that as a consumer, you're able to download that free of charge and instantaneously verify the product is authentic, where it's come from a supply chain perspective, you're able to track and trace it. From a supplier perspective, you're able to properly manage your inventory, and if you need to do any product recalls for any reason, you've got full visibility of that as well. So that's some of the demonstration of what you'll get in the pack itself. And you'll see that the pack consists of, as I said, a demo sheet with some NFCs and QR codes, the certificate, you'll get an information booklet, and they all come in a basic folder as well with Ethical Trade Alliance. There's obviously a lot more information and details on our website as well, and there's a whole range of other marketing material, information videos being developed as we speak. Thanks very much for your time.